Welcome, today in front of me Honor 50 Lite, and I'll show you the loudest speakers level of this device. I'll do this with the help of the decibel meter, and now I'll set here the maximum mode. This mode means that when the device will reduce the maximum speaker's volume, the value here on this display will change. So let's start. So as you can see, on our Honor 50 Lite reach 112 and 8 decibels. Sorry, and 7 decibels. That's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.